The choice of more than 36,000 students, one of the largest universities in Texas, the most comprehensive university in the North Texas region. This is the University of North Texas, the place where discovery begins, where promise becomes progress. Founded in 1890, UNT has grown from a small teachers college to an emerging national research university built on a foundation of excellence in education, business, science, humanities, and the arts. Expert rankings in U.S. News and World Report's Best Colleges 2010 guide named UNT among the top national universities making innovative changes in academics, faculty, students, campus life, diversity, and facilities. We offer a traditional college experience with more than 300 student organizations, a 138,000 square foot recreation center, and Division 1A sports in the Sun Belt Conference. We are a community that celebrates creativity, innovation, and impact. Here, extraordinary achievements happen every day. Like developing bright white organic light that could save billions in energy costs and preserve natural resources. Like finding ways to prevent decay in the materials used to make jet engines so America's Air Force can fly safer and stronger. Or overhauling the 911 infrastructure so emergency crews can reliably find internet-based callers. And creating a new world of eco-friendly plant-based products to replace petroleum-based plastics for a more sustainable future. These developments and many more are converging at UNT's nearly 290-acre Discovery Park, where academic researchers and industry leaders collaborate on research and the application of discoveries. And along with our sister institution, the UNT Health Science Center at Fort Worth, we're advancing the world's knowledge base to help prevent and cure some of society's greatest ills. Imagination fuels all forms of discovery at UNT. It breathes life into art. It energizes our campus, and it enriches the entire North Texas community with exhibitions, dance and theater productions, and more than 1,000 musical performances every year. We're world-renowned for jazz, as home to the first and one of the best programs for the distinctly American art form. But our faculty, students, and graduates also perform and conduct on opera and concert stages with prestigious musical companies around the world. UNT faculty and graduates are nationally recognized artists. Our alumni are Fortune 500 CEOs, scientists, inventors, and teachers. Here, students discover the paths to their future in nearly 250-degree programs. And to encourage them on their journey, we award more than $200 million in scholarships and financial aid each year. And unwavering in our commitment to provide bright yet economically challenged students opportunities to pursue an education, UNT has welcomed more than 1,200 students into our Emerald Eagle Scholars Program. Because at UNT, we help dreams take flight and strive to make tomorrow better than today. Our students are among the nation's best and brightest. UNT was Texas's only public university to equal Harvard and Princeton in 2010 by having 3 Goldwater Scholars. We are consistently among the nation's leaders in this prestigious scholarship competition. The nation's top collegiate debate speaker in 2009 was a UNT student. And in 2009, a UNT student won the President's Volunteer Service Award for the 2nd year in a row. Our best-in-class honors college students pursue unparalleled levels of academic excellence. And our Texas Academy of Mathematics and Science students, who simultaneously complete their last 2 years of high school and first 2 years of college at UNT, have won top scientific and academic awards across the nation. UNT students come from nearly every state in the nation and more than 135 countries. They're constantly challenged as they work side by side with internationally recognized researchers and learn one-on-one from the experts. As a community proud to be the mean green, we have long been committed to a sustainable future. From environmentally friendly LEED certified buildings to vehicles fueled by biodiesel, we're always seeking innovative ways to make green more than a school color. In fact, UNT was the first major university in Texas to sign the President's Climate Commitment, a pledge to seek climate neutrality in campus operations. Our graduate program in environmental philosophy and ethics was the first and is still the best in the world. And beginning in 2010, we are offering the first joint master's degree in international sustainable tourism. At UNT, we work across disciplines and across borders to impact life and preserve vanishing ecosystems. So everyone benefits, communities and students alike, and the promise becomes progress as more than 7,000 new UNT graduates each year dedicate themselves to making a difference in the world. We are the University of North Texas, redefining what's possible, setting new standards of excellence, and creating boundless opportunities. Discover UNT.